Well, good evening, YouTubers. This is DrewSteel69. This is my layout update number 3. The foam board has been painted brown. Got tired of looking at the pink stuff. So there's my cement plant or grain silo. I'm not sure what I want yet. A lighthouse. My lumber yard. Here's my sad mountain for now. And my town. So, whoa, hey, what's going on here? There's that. Oh, nice. Under construction. It's just temporary. So this is gonna be like a road, and then it goes back there, crossing the railroad tunnel. Let's see what happened under the tunnel. Oh, look at that. Someone dropped me some Steeler stuff here. I think it's from my buddy Larry. BFU Railroad. Check it out. He just left it in the tunnel. Yeah, this is Kendrell Bell, Steelers linebacker back in the days. And look at that. Steelers flag and a couple of dead trees. Let's see. We got, looks like a Christmas ornament. Sweet. There you go, buddy. You dropped the pen. I mean, could have been an interception. Okay. Let's see. We got, oh, Jerome Bettis jersey. Check it out. Yeah. And what is this stuff? Ooh. Alright, let me turn off the camera and let me lay it out for you. Alright, welcome back. Check it out. It's the Steelers tailgate items. Wow. Thank you, Larry of BFU Railroad. He sent me this. These, I should say. Woo. Sweet. Thank you very much. You all should check out BFU Railroad, his channel. He has a really good videos in there, especially he had a mountain that has this hydraulic kind of thing, and if you have a derailment in there, it just goes up like this, but he's not using his hand manually. He's got his thing, that button that brings it up and clears any derailment. Well, check out his channel, BFU Railroad. Thank you very much, brother. Talk to you later. Bye.